Yeah, the spot will definitely try to get it.
There you go. What's up, guys? Hooksetz with Ryan here. Back out on the water. Got the wife out with me today. Got also a couple good buddies of mine, Richard, Jackie up there, Risen Sun Adventures. We're out here, gonna get out here and enjoy the day. Got beautiful weather today. Hopefully the wind is good to us, because here lately the wind has been just kicking me. I'm talking just beating me around. The plan is to try to, catch some fish today. Maybe, hopefully top water. If not, we'll always kind of fall back on some finesse fishing. But stay tuned. Let's do it. All right, guys, the first fish of the morning. Hooksetz with wifey caught it. I don't know what she's doing with that fish right there, but she's like doing some type of...
He's dancing.
All right.
All right, gentle release?
Yep, let him go.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Dang, boy. Nice spot. Yep. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Nice, beautiful Lake Norman spotted bass. Just got him on the fluke. My wife has the measuring board, so I'm not really measuring any fish today. 1.71. Pretty nice one. I would say he's about 16, 17 inches. Gonna let him go. Yeah, that's fine. Swim bait. Just caught one off swim bait. Oh, he ate that swim bait good too. Second fish of the day, guys. Little spotted bass just hammered the swim bait. Nice, pretty little spotted bass. Fish on! Just your old typical spotted bass. Man, look how they're eating that swim bait, guys. Little small guy. I'll let him go.
Are you sure he's a largemouth?
Yeah, he's a largemouth.
Okay.
Just do a side picture.
A side picture?
Like, hold him like this.
Oh.
Yeah, the spot will definitely try to get it.
There you go. And I think he's a largemouth. Let's go. Oh my goodness, that is a big spot. Oh yeah, let's go. Look at that right there. God, check that out. All right, guys. Nice, healthy spotted bass. Just got him on a, well, let me show you. Hold up, guys. Solid spot, Lake Norman spot. Just got him on a custom painted spook from Risen Sun Custom Lures. Check that color out. Awesome color. Let's get a weight on him. He's only 1.56, but man, that is a solid spot. I'm gonna let him go. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's go! Oh my goodness! Whoa! Yes! Are you kidding me? Whoa! God! Let's go! That is what I'm talking about. Hey, bring that board over here. Look at the size of that one. I seen him busting over here, just crushing it. 2.86. That is a solid spot.
2 pounds and 8,600.
18.5-inch spot. That is what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna let him go. He's heavy, man.
Fluke.
Topwater.
On my one I made.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Nice little spotted bass guy. Woo.
Comparing the Topwater today, guys. Risen Sun Custom Lures Station. See how it's working.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. I just been catching them on that Risen Sun Custom Lure Spook. Check out that spotted bass right there. I mean, he absolutely crushed it. Let's get a weight on him, and maybe I can get the wife over here with the board because she's got the board. But let's get a weight. All right. Well, he's not too big. He's 1.78, but man, he is a solid spotted bass. Gonna let him go. Yeah. Man, that topwater bite is awesome. All right, guys, it has been a phenomenal day. A lot of fish on topwater today. I want to share with you what I'm actually using. This is actually the Spook Junior. I got it custom painted from Risen Sun Custom Lures. By the way, guys, check out Risen Sun Custom Lures on Facebook if you need any baits custom painted. As you can see, check that color out. They've been really just destroying this color today. But today we've had a lot of topwater action, and It's all about cadence when it comes to this Spook Junior right here. You just want to have good steady cadence and kind of hit points, pockets, any type of cover, stuff like that, and hang on, because usually big fish hit them.
13 and a half.
Oh yeah. All right, time to release it.
Okay, gentle release, little guy.
He's like, I'm gone. It has been an absolute phenomenal day out here at Lake Norman today with my buddies, Jackie, Richard, and the wife over there. And we've caught a lot of fish. You know, most of my fish came on Topwater, that Spook. And Jackie, how many did you catch today?
9.
9. Richard, what'd you catch?
8.
8.
Shaky head and some fluke.
The good old shaky head and a fluke. What about Hooksetz with wifey over there?
6.
6. So it's been just an absolute awesome day. We've all caught fish, and that's what it's about. It's getting out here, enjoying the weather, and catching fish. But we're gonna wrap it up. But before I do that, go ahead and check out my buddy Jackie Hughes at Risen Sun Adventures. Go ahead and check out his channel, and go ahead and subscribe to his channel at Risen Sun Adventures. And we're gonna call it a day and get off the water. But thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Y'all have an awesome day.